It's our last day in Seoul, Korea, before we take a flight out to Busan tonight. Tamrin's been a bit sick for the last 2 days because she wasn't wearing a raincoat when it was raining that day. So we decided to go out today because she's not too sick to go buy Korean products. Look how big these crabs are! They've literally got masks for everything here. For your T-zone, for your V-zone, for your nipples. I'm sure they got masks for every part of your body. So if you guys are looking for masks or skincare products, Myeongdong is definitely a place to come through to. Just be prepared. You're going to be walking around to a lot of different shops because there's quite a few shops and a lot of them have a ton of products that you can't really understand, but it's just quite interesting to have a look around. Me and that's Tams.
How cute!
Ready? 3.
It's too small.
What do you guys think?
Yay or nay?
We're on our way out. We were just about to buy it and then the staff rudely shouted at Tams, so we're not buying anything anymore. We're done walking around Myeongdong.
And we're leaving with all our goodies. I had to get my facial mask and everything.
We're leaving out to the Namdaemun market because Tamara wants to get some lunch. It started to rain outside, so we couldn't go to the Namdaemun market. So we actually just came through to GS25 just to get some food before we head off to the airport. We've got our favorite, which is the Gimpo. Got chicken, which is really good. And then Tam's got a red bean bun. These are so good, my word. The dough is really soft and fluffy. The red bean paste is like not too sweet, but just sweet enough, and it's like very creamy. It's really good. A must try when you come to GS25. We just finished lunch and now we're on our way to the airport. Just made it to the airport and we're on our way to figure out how we can check in and get our boarding passes. We got the boarding passes. All you need to do is get to the airport, follow the check-in signs, and then find your airline, and then there's a self-check-in center here, and then you just check in and then they print out your boarding passes.
So we just found out if you're a Priority Pass member or an Amex member, there is no lounge for you here in domestic departures. You can only find a lounge in international departures from Gimpo International Airport.
We're getting ready to board. It's only a 55-minute flight, so we'll be there shortly. We've arrived. We've just arrived at accommodation, and Tamrin's not feeling well, so she's already off to bed. We're going to call it a night from here because it's been a little bit of a long travel day. I think all our travel days are actually quite long, so we'll see you guys tomorrow.